night I told her, this time it's all over, making 10 times I've told her goodbye. Yeah, last night we broke up, but this morning I woke up and for the 10th time I'm changing my mind. Lord, I saw more love in her eyes when I left her than most foolish men will ever see. But it's